Now this is my 13th day on YouTube. Wow. I've survived this far because I have been able to want to come out and put content that I engage in. Now I'm learning in these 13 days. I'm not going to say that yes, I've been perfect or I've been doing everything right on YouTube. No, I've been going about watching different videos from Princess Yamaka tutor, from Gracie. I don't know. I've been watching a lot. I cannot remember names, but I've been watching a lot, and I can say that I am fact out. I am tired. Like trying to implement every of these strategies into one of my videos is really, really tired. Even knowing which of these strategies is going to work or not. See, this video is not scripted. I'm not reading from any scripts. I'm just coming here to say my mind. And I'm going to be showing you through my analytics for the past 13 days. Yes, I've gained subscribers. Maybe some came from my videos, from my log form videos. Some subscribers came from my shorts. And they are saying don't post shorts, post shorts. So many controversies, so many things to learn, so many things to digest. See, what I just want to talk about in this video is YouTube SEO, search engine optimization. What you should do with your YouTube channel is just to make sure that your thumbnail is corresponding with your description, your title, your tags, your hashtag, everything is in line so that YouTube can push your videos to the right audience. That is what you should focus on. If you see that your video is not performing, you are under 10 views, you are under 100 views, you can decide to like Google people on your niche on the same topic as you and see how their thumbnail and their description or their title and how their video have been performing so far. Some people will post a video of like 1 year ago and it's still ranking up, it's still performing very well, it's still having views per hour. So you need to copy if that is what it takes. I'm copying, I'm doing so, I'm doing that, I'm doing it. I am copying from other creators, other bigger creators because I'm a small creator. So if you're a small creator, please gather here. Let's go together. Tell me in the comments how is it going? How is it going? Just tell me in the comments. So you need to be able to copy from other creators, copy what they have done in their description, copy what they have done with their thumbnail, and try and create a catchy thumbnail and you will be getting views. Yes, I tried it day before yesterday. Today is 9th. I tried it on the 7th. And as at yesterday, 8th to today, I'll be posting this video today by the grace of God, maybe in the evening or maybe before tomorrow. And with all the videos so far I've been watching. Let me tell you what I've picked in this thing, in this YouTube streak is you need audience retention. You need to catch retention of the audience. Like they need to watch your video 70% of the time that you post that video. Like if your video is 8 minutes, they should have watched it up to like 4 minutes. Do you understand? So everything you are going to say should be packed into that 4 minutes. I don't even know why people always do long videos that you'll be packing all your information, those vital information to the end of the video. Nobody has that time. Everybody wants, like, I don't know if this is what I should be doing. I don't even understand. But I know that this video, I don't want to waste time in this video. What I want to tell you is that do your keywords research very well. If your niche is lifestyle, please put your keyword that associates with lifestyle. Put your keywords that associate with blogging. Put your keywords that associate with teaching, education. Put your keywords that associate with any type of niche that you are in. Please don't mix all the keywords together. Make sure you ask ChatGPT for the type of keywords that resonate with your niche. Your title optimization, please, if you have to copy, I'm saying it again. Yes, you are going to be hearing this a lot. Copy from other creators that has already made that type of video and the video is doing well. It's still having views, the video is doing well. Go and copy that type. Put your you can add some things from there. You can put your own, but copy it and make sure that you fine-tune it to your own words, but copy it. Copy the thumbnail. Normally if you are copying a thumbnail, you're not going to get, if you are even copying a thumbnail, if you are like me that design thumbnail from scratch, because I design my thumbnail myself. So if I like me that design thumbnail, I can copy your thumbnail and you will just know that where did you get this idea from? I copy my thumbnail and I will put different elements that is similar to yours, and it will just look like I will use my own colors, I'll use my own elements, but I copied from somebody. I'm going to be showing you a tip of the person I copied and my own. That is my last video. I copied that thumbnail from someone. So after copying that thumbnail, I discovered that the views are going up in numbers, like 2 to 3 people have viewed it today. So what I'm saying is that, in nutshell, is that copy if you can. Even Mr. Beast, the highest YouTuber, the most followed and the most viewed, copies. So there is nothing bad or nothing wrong in copying other people. You can even copy from me, I can copy from you, but you are not supposed to use other people's content. You cannot use other people's content, yes. But the description and everything, please, if people are not copying, how will they be getting views? If this thing worked for you and you are getting a lot of views, you are getting 200,000 views, I will do it and I might get 500k views. Wow, that's nice and that's good. So please, you have to copy if you have to, but be passionate about your niche though. You have to be passionate about your niche. Then, if you're passionate about your niche, you want to do everything in your power to grow in this niche. That is just it. So the other one is your description, your audience retention. So I'm going to be listing the 5 things I'm listing out here. Work on these 5 things. Work on it. Work on these 5 things. Then we are good to go. Just work on it. And if you discover that your video, you've done your thumbnail, you've done your title and everything, your video is not getting views for the past 1 week, you have to leave your video for a week. You need to allow YouTube to push your videos. And for 1 week, you are saying that okay, you did everything right, change the thumbnail again, change the description again, change the title again, but don't go off the topic of what the content of your video, but change the title. Ask ChatGPT for another title. ChatGPT, if you ask ChatGPT for a title for your YouTube topic, it will give you like 5. So you've used one, right? Go and use another one. Go and use another one. You don't know, maybe the second one or the third one that is going to blow you up on this YouTube street. So you need to get your watch hours. So you have to start putting effort to getting your watch hour from now. Me, I'm going to be putting effort from now. I don't want to wait till the next 6 months before I'm not say I know what I came here to do. Because if you are starting and you're watching me, please come with a niche so that you will know that okay, you have a set plan. Me, I've come, I know what I'm here to do. You to use me what you're here to do so that you will not be playing around for the next 1 year. You've not gotten monetization, then you know that okay, the other year you will not get monetized. Your views that you've gathered for 1 year will be dropping. Hope you know that. Please put that in mind. So guys, if you watch this video to this extent and you like this video, please thank you for watching. If you have gained a lot from this video, kindly like and subscribe, and I'm going to be seeing you in my next video, and I can't wait for us to grow together.